let's see how to write a program for LCD 16 cross 2 LCD by using Keil Microvision with Proteus combination. So open your Keil Microvision and go project tab and select the option new project. Now, so which program you are developing? LCD display, right? So just I'm giving my project name as LCD and click on save. And this is the window for selection of microcontroller family from all different manufacturers. So now you have to choose the device from your manufacturer name. So now I'm choosing a microcontroller from Philips. So if you click on this plus mark, it will show the list of devices from this manufacturer and choose the device. So as your P89V51RD2, this is my device, and click on OK. And this is the startup code warning. If you want to add file, click on S, otherwise no. And now you people created your project. So now you have to open editor window to write program. For that, go file tab and choose the option new. So this is your text editor. So before going to write program, just try to save this text editor. For that, go file tab and save. And as you wish, you can give your name, any name for this. Now I am giving lcd.c. So because I am writing embedded C program for displaying my characters on LCD screen. And start writing your program. Hash include. This is the header file name for all 51 families, reg51.h. And go for your declarations. So for because LCD hardware physical lines, you have to connect with RS. This time I am connecting with one IO line P1.0 and RW, which are all three control lines for LCD screen, RS, RW, enable. So which are also controlled by microcontroller IO pins. So these three lines just you are connecting with 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and I am taking some user defined functions to pass the commands and data. So this is the function, user defined function I am taking to pass command argument with a character data type. And this is the function for passing the characters, which is also as an argument type character data type, because I have to pass 8-bit value, means 1 byte value through data lines of LCD. And this is the delay function I am taking for making. By passing each value to screen, you have to maintain some time delay between logic high and logic low operation for enable. So these are all declarations needed, and obviously your data lines which are connected with a complete port P2. Now your main program starts. So this is P2, I am making as 0x00. This is output declaration, and as well as so data lines which are connected with IO P2. Data lines D0 to D7 which are connected with port. So next, so you people have to do just I'm entering into the one infinite loop, and just I'm using user defined function LCD command to pass my commands one by one. So this is the command value for so this is the command value for declaration of dot matrix 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 matrix crystal activation, and you have to call delay between argument to argument. And next I'm calling the delay, so just I'm passing the next command value, which is 0x01. This is the command value for clear screen. And again call your delay. Next you have to pass so command value for cursor position, and cursor blinking, and next command for so cursor on, display on. So these are the basic commands needed for LCD screen. This is the cursor blinking, display on, and next so I'm using the data function, which is allows to pass my characters. And between data to data also just I'm calling this delay. And if you want to pass the next characters, so this is the way you people can give your characters one by one. So this is the program for getting 3 characters on LCD screen. Now so whatever the functions you use, just give the description for those functions LCD command as a character argument, and this argument you have to pass for a specific port, because all data lines which are connected with P2, right? So whether command or data you have to pass with this specific port. While passing command, you have to make RS logic as 0 and RW logic as 0, and enable you have to make it high to low with some time delay. So this is the command function required to get the display on screen. And you have to, the same way you have to write the program for data function. So you can take any user defined data type variable, temporary variable, and here also you have to assign your data with P2, but there is a change with the control lines. While passing data you have to make RS logic as 1, W remains 0, and you have to make enable pin high to low for every change of operation. So now let's see the description for your delay function, and this delay without arguments, and this delay I am generating with a simple for loops by taking unsigned integer. And take your own value, how much you required for. So this is the delay I am taking for self for loop. And after writing your program, try to save with the help of this save button. And now, so you have to run this program on a specific target device by adding your program with target. Just click on this plus mark of target, you will get source group 1, right click it, and you will get add files to source group 1. So which is this LCD is our program. Just add it and close. So now, so if you want to see the errors and warnings of this program, just go project tab and build target. Then you will find any errors and warnings from your program, and this is the complete program for displaying 3 characters on your LCD screen. So if you want to see these things on Proteus hardware simulation tool, so you have to create hex file for this embedded C program. Just right click on target 1, you will get options for target 1, and give your oscillator frequency as 11.0592, and highlight this use on chip ROM, and select your output and click on this create hex file. Okay, after giving all these options, just go project app and build target. Now it will show the hex file name of your program. Just minimize this and open your hardware simulation tool, which is Proteus design. And pick the components for your application what you need. One is microcontroller, which is 8051. If you double click it, it will come into the list. And one more device is LCD screen. So you people can choose any LCD from here. Just I am taking 16 cross 12 phonumeric LCD. Double click it, it will come into the list. Just place the components in your design and do the connections as per your program development. So now our people connected this RSRW with P1.0, P1.1 and P1. And all data lines which are connected with P2. So just do your all hardware connections according to your program development. So D0 to D7 which are connected with your complete port 2. So by doing your all hardware connections, just browse your hex file from Keil Microvision. If you double click on controller, there is a window edit component. Just go through your program file browser, select your hex file, open, and give the same clock frequency as 11.0592. Okay, and if you want to see the output, just play it. And now you are finding this EMB on. You are not finding E character. Just minimize this and open your LCD screen. You have to decide the cursor position by using this so there is a command value for first line first position. Of your program. This is for force the cursor first line first position. And if you do any modifications with your program, save and build. And open your design tool and play it. You will get EMB. So this is the complete program for displaying. If you want to add the characters for your program, just you can add multiple characters here. So if you want to add characters for your program, just add and save, build. Now so you can, if you want to see the changes for your program, you can stop and you can play. So this is the complete program for displaying your characters on LCD screen. Thank you.